Hi, this is Tom Maker with Aeromir Corporation. This is a quick update for May 20th, 2025, the Goldilocks, how it did. So we can see it started out about 4 in the morning, right after the opening time of 3:45. It went short. We were in a downtrend and a pullback, which is what it's looking for. But unfortunately, the market reversed and it stayed in until it hit its max loss of $400. And then now the bias is shifting to up, and we have a pullback, and it went long right here, just after, right before the cash market opened, almost a perfect bottom entry here. And then it stayed in and exited for $1,000 profit. So again, almost a perfect trade. So we're down 400 and up 1,000. So net up about 600. And then a little bit later, about 12 o'clock Eastern, again, we're in an uptrend. It pulled back, it went long, and it stayed in until our end time of 321. So right around here, it exited. So total for the day, we had $830 of profit today with Goldilocks. And you can see the equity chart. Now, these are simulated and evaluation firm trades. They're all forward tested. So this isn't back tested. This is live trades on the VPS. And we started on May 1st. We did have some code changes, some minor tweaks, but the logic for the trades is still working fine. So anyway, you can see or lower left to bottom or to upper right. And I recommend a $5,000 account minimum just because it's a $2,000 to $2,500 drawdown over a year period. That's what we tested for the last year. So if you did have that $2,000 drawdown, you'd still have $3,000 in your account, which should be enough to recover it. So based on a $5,000 account, we've had a 45% return in 20 days or 20 days, which is pretty phenomenal. Goldilocks is doing what it's supposed to do. If you look at the performance, I right click on the strategy. Let's just see how far back we go. Let's just do the last 45 or maybe 90 days, last 3 months. We'll load that data and take a look at the performance. So in the last 90 days, it's up $7,700 with a $1,600 drawdown, and it should be a nice equity. Yeah, so it was flat for about a month and a half, about 6 weeks. A little bit of a pullback here, but then the market started trending more, and then we caught some really nice moves there. So again, it's average time of the trade over 300 minutes, so that's over 5 hours on average, and we get about 1.5 trades per day. Win percent is pretty consistent, around 50 to 55%. And the profit factor is usually about 1.5 to 1.6. So that's all in line with our longer term testing. But so far, so good. Again, you can go to aeromir.com/Goldilocks performance to get to this page. I do have this chart embedded on the information page, which is just aeromir.com/Goldilocks. And there's the historical testing we did. I can update this pretty soon. And this is that chart you see on the Google Sheet. And this, again, is updated in real time. So all you have to do is reload this page and you see the updated chart. If you do want to see the whole spreadsheet, you can click on this live performance data. It does do NinjaTrader. It's a strategy that runs basically by itself. I do have buttons on here to control whether you're taking long or short trades on or off. It's up to you. But you can't just turn it on and let it go. And it's been working out pretty well. It's a 4-minute bar on micro gold. And again, it's about 5 hours average per trade. So it's nothing that is hyper scalping. It's looking for trends. And we just became a NinjaTrader vendor. So they had me put this stuff on the website about our recommended trading platform, of course, NinjaTrader, because this is a NinjaTrader strategy. And they do have a data feed can attack. If you're using a prop firm, you can use their data feed as well. And then I updated the risk disclosure, hypothetical performance, and we don't have any testimonials on this page yet, but we do have a few in Discord. I have to ask permission to put them on here. So that's the page, aeromir.com/Goldilocks, and you can see the performance is doing quite well. Basically, the same performance that we tested over the last year or so. So we are making some changes to the code to use ATRs instead of fixed ticks. So it'll be more flexible. Right now, if you try and back test it, say like a couple of years ago, when gold was significantly lower in price, the tick settings we have now for the current market won't work. So we're going to more ATR based ticks. But for now, in the current market, if we need to, we'll tweak it. But for now, the current settings are perfect. And really, all you have to do to manage this is turn the strategy on. Let me just take this off here. And have your time window. We start at 3:45 a.m. Eastern, end at 3:20 something. 3:21 is fine. I did some testing and 2 contracts, and I just leave the session profit and loss set to these max numbers. And you can set this to 0 or 1. They're about the same results. If you start waiting more bars after a trade closes before you enter a new one, it starts lowering your P&L. So 0 and 1 seems to be the sweet spot. Either one's fine. And that's basically all you have to do is pick an account, make sure it's set to micro gold at 4 minutes, and enable it, and off you go. And you'll see the trades on the chart. So that's it. If you're interested, again, go to aeromir.com/Goldilocks. Thanks very much.